Fellow Nigerians, necklace no fall for inside, necklace no fall for outside. Now one place necklace they follow. You see it now? All you bastard leaders. President Muhammadu Buhari, you see your life now? All of you. The games you have been playing with the life of citizens. The games that you have been playing. The cabal you people have been hiding. Running up and down. You see them now? Sherry Sepe, gbogbo ẹ ti padà jáde. The other day, I said it. Money Baba Jagaban. Ẹ̀yin lẹ lọ gbé ọmọ àlè ní jewa. People thought that I was abusing you. Shut up, bye. Ẹ̀kọ́ gbóná tẹ́ ń fọwọ́, tẹ́ ń fi sùúrù jẹ. Ṣé kò ti jó yín lọ́wọ́ báyìí sìn? He don't burn you for hand. All of you, our leaders, are greedy. Never for once have you people thought about the lives of the common man. Never for once have you people thought about the state of living of citizens of this country. Now, no fuel. Now, no money. Now, Emefiele, senior rogue, Twalesa, you where you carry over 100 moto. You buy presidential ticket, 100 million. You bought buses that you want to use for campaign and then put you in the custody of money of a nation. You yourself, your road will pass my papa home. Now, all of you are going front and back. I want to ask you a question, Emefiele. All those money that they are selling to people that are retailing money, how is that money going about? The same you is the person that gives dollar to some people at X amount. The same you gives dollar to some people at X amount. Now you don't want to settle their scores now. Baba Jagaban, somebody you cannot vouch for. Somebody you don't know. You sold your rights. You see, one thing I've always fought Jagaban for, one thing I've always fought you for, is the fact that you brought somebody who will end up ruining this country. And today is the day. We are all seeing it clearly. Because you people use us to play game. Chess, you go first, then me I will go. Now, Buhari is indebted to all of you. He doesn't know how to settle this cause. You people should know that NSAS 2 is pregnant. At the rate at which this country is going, NSAS go burn. Then go burn NSAS 2. Because I don't understand the people expect to keep quiet. The people that cannot condone you people's greed and madness. Want to japa? They don't run come up for Nigeria. The ones who remain now, how do you expect them to survive? We have to be buying money. Eventually, explain how people are buying money. How are these monies getting to the hands of some sets of people? It is you. This money, don't they have serial number of how you people dispatch it to branches? I'm robber ni gbogbo. All of you are thieves. People are now running from pillar to post now. You are running from pillar to post. What bothers you is election. Senate President, Baba come here, your body they shake. Why is it that they are talking that they want to use this money to sabotage the election? What has money got to do with election? Is money PVC? The energy people are putting into this money thing, you should put it into PVC. If not that it is greed, ulterior motive. Now people are panicking and fidgeting. Come on, worry. God will help you whether this election even take place, because everybody is going to be on the street now. Kudos, those of you that went to CBN. I twirl you people. Everybody should come out. Come out. Let us come out too. These our leaders are too greedy. When some of us are talking, people think that yes, we have ulterior motive. You know, fire the bonus. Fire the bonus. Now, you know they burn everybody. Abi, when you are a trader, you are an entrepreneur, you are buying dollar at 900 and something. Why are Emefiele selling dollar to some people? Emefiele no ba bribe to that Nigeria. Emefiele can pay for Nigeria. The money that man has stolen, he can pay for the whole of this Nigeria if they decide to sell Nigeria tomorrow. Eko mani daddy mi nìkan ló lè. Àwọn tó senior baba mi wọ́n lẹ̀. Wọ́n jí pọ́nà gidi owó. Atiku. Oh, gbogbo yín pátá, all of you. Now, few weeks to election, people are having internal chaos. Internal chaos. A common man cannot work. We are buying money in our own motherland. Hey, le kure ki shepe. Gbogbo ẹ náà, Baba Jagaban, ẹ̀yin lẹ fà. Ẹ̀yin lẹ fà. Look at you now. Ẹ wò yín sìn. Ẹ̀tọ́ yín. Ẹ wá di pé wọ́n fi yín láre. Afọbajẹ tó wá ń dupò ọba kiri. Wọ́n wá ń tì yín gàùgàù. Ẹ rọrùn sùn. Ẹ rí bí gbórílé. Ẹ rí bí fẹsẹ̀ sí. Ṣaráyé yín lóde báyìí. Ṣaráyé yín lóde. Ensasi. Nígbà tó yẹ kí gbogbo yín pọ̀n sẹ́yìn àwọn ọmọ yín. When your children were talking, when your children were lamenting that this country is bad, people fail to listen to the cry of the common man. Now, it is your turn. You need what it takes, right? To lead this country, and all of you don't have it. So now you people are running at scatter that they should distribute. You put all the money and let us end this Nigeria. What is the point? What is the point? When people will make policy, Buhari, Shabina, your cousin can give contract to do money. How much una take do money? How much be the money itself? Now be your in-law una put there. How many months ago una just appoint them? Because we they keep quiet. Kinship power not there. I call quick ma show she loni. Ṣùgbọ́n she ti wa she ti wa pate ju talashe wo lo báyìí. You people shame is on the street more than that of a prostitute now. Shameless government, shameless leaders, shameless people. Above all, Baba Jagaban, you are the one that caused this problem for Nigeria. Because you have solidly said it. You said it all her that you are the one that brought Buhari. How can you go and bring such a heartless man? Now, Buhari is using all of you to play game and dice. He wants to use people to check out. He has settled himself. The right is fixed. Every part of his family is fixed. Aisha Buhari, that one they live for Dubai. So now only Aisha Buhari first sick. Now Aisha first sick for Nigeria. You see it? We that are still in Nigeria, that don't have anywhere to run to. You people now think that we'll keep quiet and be looking at people. You people don't answer, still don't get belly. Because people should start having midnight meetings of how you are going to resolve the whole of this thing that people has caused us. 8 years, a lot of things has been going on behind door, under the table. You people did not allow citizens to know. Baba Jagaban, you might take a parasita, egbe nuro, eleko bononi, yo joyan lowo. Ṣé kò tán yín báyìí? Ṣé kò tán yín báyìí? You people should go and fix this country for us, yo. You people should fix our Nigeria for us. Because all these things people are doing, these things have been going on since. But people kept it under grass. When a whole CBN governor is buying form 100 million, where did he see it from? A lot of money returns that are not even accountable for. A lot of money that are not accountable for. Which people? All those people that are selling money in party. All the people that are putting this new bundle, money in bundles. Who gave them? Ebati lọ pariwo lẹ́nu ọ̀nà Emefiele akó gbogbo àwọn kàbá bank manager tó ń lò jáde àtàwọn bank kìíní tó ń lò àwọn olè TFI useless government. You think everybody will continue to keep quiet? Useless people. And to fix Nigeria, people should fix our country for us. Fix our country for us. Tí ó bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, you people call yourself, we are the leaders of tomorrow. In our own time, you are dragging our space. In our own time, you are dragging the space where knowledgeable candidates should come out and contest for election. Àwọn arúgbó tó yẹ kó ti máa mu sleeping tablet. Una ẹ̀yin tẹ́ pé púpọ̀ ní orí dialysis ògùn oríṣiríṣi ló wà. Ẹ fàárọ̀ ṣiṣẹ́, ẹ fọ̀sán kó nǹkan jọ, ẹ wá fẹ́ fojú alẹ́ da gbogbo àkójọ yín nù. Àwọn olè thieves.
Bless Yorubawuyi. Me say no to one Nigerian. The country of kidnappers, full of the S-men, bandits. tribalism, godfatherism, nepotism. Say no to one Nigerian. I stand with Yoruba nation. I said no going back. I said no staying back. No going back. Yoruba nation. Where we stand. Where we stand. See the batty right there, Tony the low matter.
Daddy, $20 million Lowo. Ibo láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ $20 million. Wọ́n náà máa pa lọ́la tí wọ́n bá ti rí $20 million tẹ́lẹ̀. Wọ́n náà máa pa lọ́la o.
Bámúbámú ni mo yó, wọ́n kọrin bámúbámú ni mo yó. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé bí ń pọ̀ mẹ́ni kọ̀ọ̀kan o. Bámúbámú ni mo yó. Insecurity everywhere, bloodshedding everywhere. Òmìnira ṣáàlà wa ń fẹ́. Tó bá ní kọ̀ọ̀kan wo lè gẹ́ ní tákàn ẹ̀ lọ́nà. Àwa ò ṣerú ẹni kankan mọ́ o. Ṣé bí ẹ̀ ń la fẹ́ kán gbọ́? Yorùbá nation ẹ jẹ́ ká parapọ̀. Àìsí níbẹ̀ òun láì bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Àsìkò ti tó. Ọmọ kàwé kò wá ríṣẹ́, ohun ribiribi tẹ́ tún sọ pé ẹ máa ṣe, ìyẹn gangan lẹ ò rí ṣe. Dáwọ́ bá mọ bí tẹ́ ń kó hà lọ, àwa ṣe tán ti padà. Dáwọ́ bá mọ bí tẹ́ ń kó hà lọ, Yorùbá ṣe tán ti padà sílé o. A ò ṣe mọ́, àwa ń lọ. A ò ṣe mọ́, àwa ń lọ. Ògún ẹ̀ dìde, Ṣàngó ẹ̀ dìde. Ọbàtálá dìde, Alálẹ̀kẹ̀ dìde, lọ́balọ́ba kẹ̀ dìde, Yorùbá ẹ̀ dìde. Sídìí bá ti bá jẹ́ tó nídìí ló máa dà. Ibi tẹ́ bá wà dé, adẹ̀ tí kò padà.